Welcome back to Papa G's World. In this video, I'm going to talk about the paint guns I used to paint my truck. And I'm going to show you some video of me painting my mailbox with one of the guns. The guns I used was the Eastwood Concours Pro kit. Comes with two guns. You have a small gun here, a mini gun. I use it to paint my mailbox and my the rims on the truck. Fits in the hand real nice. Did an excellent job. It comes with a 1.0 tip. It has the individual small container for paint. And the other gun is the full-size Concours Pro. It sprays very well. I don't know if you've seen my truck that I painted in the other videos, but it came out pretty darn slick for a rookie painter like me. I thought it came out very well. This is the container, the cup that comes with the big gun. However, I did not use this. Instead, I chose to purchase the 3M Disposable. Very good product as well. We'll just do a little review on it also. That screws on. I don't know if you can see that very well. And then your cup just attaches to the top. Alright? In your cup, you have the measuring cup, which this one's dirty because I used it. And you have the inner liner, goes down in here. Mix your product accordingly. And you got your screen already built in there. You're gonna press down and turn about a quarter turn. And I'll put the lid on it. If you wanted to do 2 or 3 containers in advance, you could. And you can just have it sealed off. That way you'd be ready to pop out of the paint booth, pull this lid off, put your gun on, and go to painting again. Very good product. I would highly recommend this. So, I'm going to talk about this gun and how it helped me paint my truck. We're going to be showing a little video behind me on the green screen. I'm going to watch it right here on this iPad. And I'm gonna narrate a little bit for you. All right, this is the truck as it sits today, finished, beautiful smooth paint. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Here's showing you the Concours Pro detail gun with accessories. Again, it comes with everything you need to clean it. The tools, the brushes, extra nozzles. I believe it's a 2.0 and a 1.7 tip. And then the minigun has a 0.8. Now here you're seeing the minigun. As I had it set up again, I just bought a little cheap water separator from Harbor Freight. All right, there's my mailbox. I got one of those big mailboxes. So I thought it'd be good to practice on. Again, I'd never spray painted anything. So I did a little primer on it out in the backyard, and this was winter time. It was probably February here in North Carolina, so it's fairly cold. It's got a sunny day. You see the truck in the background there before I painted it. This is all taking place before I painted the truck. All right, I got some primer on it. I've scuffed it and scratched it up, and then put some primer on it. Also wax and grease remover. Now you see after one coat of the black's on. It's looking good. Excuse me. Also, I did do a clear coat. I'm going to show you the minigun. Again, this is the minigun spraying the mailbox here. I'm going to show you the minigun to do the mailbox. There's the truck in the background with 3 different colors. So here's some spraying. That's clear coat. Again, this is the first time I've ever sprayed. I'm moving way too fast and leaving too big of a gap. Scared to get a run. I got better as time went by. And like I say, a couple months later, I painted the truck with the larger gun. Right now, I'm just showing you the box, letting it dry. Again, it was cold, so I put a light on it to try to put some heat in it. All right. Still looking at the box. My garage is just full. Okay, and then there's the mailbox as it stands today. It's nice and shiny. Came out really good. Put new numbers on it. Numbers on the front. I think you can see a little bit of the gloss. It laid nice and flat. Yeah, that's getting up pretty tight there. So there you are. And I would highly recommend these guns. I think this kit, when I bought it, now keep in mind that's been a year and a half ago. I bought this kit. Seems like it was around $240. You get both guns. Excellent deal. And they made a rookie like me look good. Again, I'll show some footage of the truck so you can look at it. But it's really nice. It laid down real well. I did the base coat and the clear coat, and it all came out very nicely. I would highly recommend this gun for a beginner. It's modestly priced. It has a wide fan on it, and overall it did an excellent job for me. And I would again highly recommend the 3M Disposable Cups. Keeps you from having to clean this out over and over. There's never been any paint in that cup. You can get quality finishes with a modestly priced gun, and you'll be proud that you did it yourself. So everybody just go paint your own cars. And we'll see you in the next one. Papa G is out. Smack that like button.